How to draw a water gun. We are going to start off by drawing the handle of our water gun. Great job, everyone! Now we're going to draw the trigger on our water gun. This will be on the right side of the handle. Next, at the top of the handle on the left side where we started drawing, we're going to draw a small rectangle coming off. Then off of that rectangle, we're going to draw a bigger square. Then to the left of that square, we're going to draw a small rectangle. Great job! Now from the square that we drew, we're going to draw two vertical lines going upwards from it. Now at the top of those two lines, we're going to draw a big rectangle. Then to the right of that rectangle, we're going to draw a smaller rectangle. And then we will draw one more rectangle to the right of that. Looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Now we're going to draw the water tank of our water gun. This will start at the rectangle that we just finished drawing, and then we will make a big oval going towards the right. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew, your drawings are looking amazing! Next, we're going to draw a short line going horizontal where the handle is. Then earlier where we drew those two vertical lines, we're going to draw two curved lines coming down from the rectangle. This will be one of the tubes that the water flows through. At the end of that tube, we're going to draw a small oval. Then we are going to continue those two lines as if they are going through the oval we just drew. Next, we will draw a rectangular-like shape that holds that water tube in place. Then we will continue drawing the tube by drawing two lines again. At the end of the tube, we will draw the nozzle where the water will shoot out of. Then starting at the handle underneath the tube, we will draw ovals all the way across the bottom of the tube until we get to the nozzle part. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of a water gun came out great. At the end of this video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in. Also, make sure to give this video a big like so that other artists just like yourself can learn how to draw a water gun. Great job today. We'll see you next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.